Okay, good morning on a very cold Charleston day. It just stopped snowing. The sun is out. I say snowing, it was tiny little flurries. Anyway, I'm at City Marina. This is a 47-foot Sunseeker San Remo. Many of you guys have asked about this, so I'm going to do a quick video for you. Starting in the bow. It's got a windlass on it. This is a Sunseeker, so it is gel coat, black with the white. There was a little ding right here, which I think just caused this little spidering right there. Also, again, gel coat, and I think that somebody actually did some clear coat over this, which is pretty apparent right down here. That will have to get polished out and fixed or whatever, but all in all, the hull and the superstructure is in really pretty good shape. The gel coat looks pretty good. The swim platform in the garage work off of the same hydros, and I'm working on that right now. Neither one work, so I think it's an electrical issue with this. So we're working on a few things on board the boat. Going up the stairs, these are your shutoffs here for your engines, emergency shutoffs. Access to the engine room over on the port side aft. I'm going to pass that up for a second and come up here and just show you all of this. All the carbon fiber looks pretty good. Windows look good. Railings and stainless all look pretty good. The three other cushions for here are downstairs, and these are really in good shape too. If you guys know anything about Sunseekers, a lot of times their fabric is difficult to source, and a lot of times it cracks fairly easily. The people that I've talked to, you guys know that the windshield has gotten into an accident during the transport of the existing owner. So this window up here is what's broken, and then the windshield here is cracked here and here, just cracked right through here. But just cracked. It doesn't seem like it's leaking anywhere, but I make no warranties on that. I'm just doing the service on it. And the windshield wipers seem to be working, but they are probably stripped or something's going on in here, so we've got to look at those and get those placed as well. Marley, go inside, please. I have Captain Marley May on board with me today. All the running lights and everything work. The spotlight works. The radar, I don't believe, is even connected, so we're tracking that down as well. But everything else works. Coming down the starboard side, and in here, we just did a quick wipe down of the galley. Isinglass and the canvas all is in good shape. We got a color TV right here. Captain Marley has a different approach to showing boats. This is the this little wet sink. Little freezer in here, refrigerator right in here, that works, and then an ice chest as well. Your domestic DC power is right here. You got port engine, starboard engine, domestic, and your generator. So that's how you turn on and off all of the things. Nice sun pad back here. Again, all in great shape. None of it's the stitching isn't coming undone. It's still soft and supple, and there's no scratches or tears or anything. Really, really nice. Nice teak table here. I just wet down the floors and just kind of clean this up a little bit. Same thing here. All of the cushions and fabric and everything seem to be really nice. The teak in here is very nice. All Raymarine stuff. It's older. It's starting to show its age. It's a 2013 boat, so that's sort of to be expected. Volvo Penta controller right there, and it's got the Volvo Penta ISP drives, and that's your joystick right there. Or you can also control it manually here, which is normally the way I run the boat. And it has a bow thruster or a cheater. Autopilot right here, and then your Fusion sound system is right here. VHF radio underneath Marley, and your DC 24 and 12 volt breakers are right there. Coming down in this direction, we come down the stairs. Beautiful sized galley down here, nice table that flips up. Again, the upholstery down here is in really pretty good shape, especially for 2013. Really clean, still soft, no rips, no tears. Nice teak table down here as well. This folds up. AC system, the one in the galley here, I just put a new fan unit in on this one, so this is all back up and working. Here's your distribution center. Right in here, you got your 12 volt, your 12 volt, to 24 volt, and then your 110, 220, and then your monitoring system right here. Nice wood throughout. Everything looks pretty good. TV right here. Refrigerator is in here. Please excuse the mess from Captain Marley. 2-burner stove. Nice little sink area here. Cabinets, a microwave right there just in case you need it. Nice accent lighting through here, nice stainless steel trim. This is a neat little VIP bunk up here. Both of these two will slide together for a queen size berth to make it a VIP suite, or you can separate them for 2 twins. Ensuite head in here and shower, pretty nice. One little thing to note here, again, there's just, as usual, these tend to leak every once in a while, and you'll get a little dripping and staining right in here. Also notable is just a little crack in the tile on the floor, which is also pretty standard for a boat. Nice closet space, and you've got all your manuals and stuff like that in this forward berth, as well as your fusion system in here as well. AC heat and another TV. Nice windows, portholes, all the lights work in here. Coming back through here, nice set of stairs going up to the top. This is your day head, which also features your master as well. And then right through here we have our master. Nice little seating area. Again, all the soft goods are in really quite nice shape. The boat's really never been slept on. Nice little area over here. Little pull-out drawer. Forget how this works. No, I don't want to do it, but there it is. You gotta push it. It's a nice little desk table. There you go. Sound system back there, and then in here is your Wago system and also your locker here. Plenty of storage underneath here, and a nice size bed and plenty of headroom. Floors are in really good condition. All the woodwork again is all in really good condition. Again, there's a few things that need to get worked on the boat, but all in all, it's in really pretty good shape for the year that it is. And again, the fiberglass is not too bad. It's still really pretty shiny and has a bunch of life left to it. The starboard side on this boat does show better than the port side. So it needs some cleaning. And then this is the garage right here. So last we'll go down into the engine room. Let me just zip up Captain Marley May in here. So like I said, this has the Volvo ISP pods to it. Also has an Onan generator. So I'm back to the port side, entering into the engine room through here. Generator. We just did some service on this, so this is running pretty good now. Volvo engines, the here and here, the lifter pumps. The lifter pump went bad on that one, so I just went ahead and did both. C strainer system is right here, pretty nice for service, and I think 470 hours on this one. I forget what the heck's on the other one. The hours are different on both engines. I don't know why, but they are. Battery banks, brand new battery banks, 12 and 24 volt. And your battery chargers are right here. Again, we're just doing some service on those. Fuel distribution system is right here. Raycor for port and starboard, and your generator is right there. And then back there, I still have the cover off to it. You can see the green, and then the red lights there. That's your AC distribution system. So on this boat, it is electronically controlled when you switch over from generator to dockside power. And so that computer system is what monitors that and will automatically switch it over. And they did not have a mechanical break in between the two, which caused an issue. So I went and rebuilt the entire thing for, I think I put Eaton in electrical system. So they have a mechanical break in that now, and that will stop the issue. So all in all, canvas is in really good shape. Again, it needs some work, especially with, I think the last biggest thing is just the hydraulics. I think it's electrical. We'll gotta look into that. Underwater lights work, and it's neat when this platform goes down, you can see the step. So you can actually step back up pretty easily and reboard the boat. So that's pretty much it. If you guys have any other questions, you can call me on my direct cell, 860-209-7609, or just go right to the website, carolinamarinegroup.com. That's pretty much it.